I am a Viking woman. My day begins before the sun rises. When the sea is still dark and the air smells of salt. I bake bread over the fire, milk the goats, and feed the chickens. I sweep the longhouse floor and hang the fish to dry. My hands are never still, they are always working. I am great at cooking. I am the manager of my home. I make sure everything runs smoothly in my household. This includes making sure that the food supplies are well stocked, so that I never run out of what I need. I am in charge of weaving. And I make sure that the servants or slaves are doing their jobs correctly and staying on task. I am married, but I am not afraid to leave if my husband treats me unfairly. In my land, a woman can ask for a divorce, and I would do it without shame. I own my own keys. I can own land. I keep my own dowry. My marriage is arranged by both mine and my husband's family, but I do have some part in choosing who I like. I have children. I teach my daughters to weave and cook. I teach my sons to row and hunt. But I also teach all my children to fight, because in our world, even peace does not last forever. When my people need warriors, I am there. My shield is round and strong. My sword is sharp. I have fought beside men in battle. When enemies come, I stand in front. I hear my heartbeat, but I feel no fear. I fight for my family, my village, and the land of my ancestors. I have sailed across the sea to raid and trade. I have faced the Saxons, and returned home with gold and stories. I work many jobs. I trade fur for silver, I sew sails for the ships. I heal the sick with herbs I gather in the forest. I tell stories at night, so that our children remember who we are. In winter, when the snow is deep, we gather in the longhouse. I sit by the fire with my family. We eat smoked fish and drink warm ale. I tell tales of Odin and Freya, of giants, dragons, and heroes. I am a daughter of the North. I can raise children, build a home, sail a ship, and lead in battle. I am a Viking woman, and believe me, my friends, I will be remembered for being strong like the mountains, and fierce like the winter storms.